Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. So I've got two here that I'm going to run through rather quickly. But before I get into them, I just want to say hey to all my subscribers. I appreciate all of you. I thank y'all so much for sticking with me, and if you're new, thank you for joining. All right, so let's do this one first. Okay, so you know I am not sleeping well. I just don't sleep well. So I'm scrolling and I'm finding these little deals on Amazon. So these two here I just thought were just so cute. Okay, so this is a poured glue round canvas, and the toolkit, it's a pretty nice toolkit. All right, so we've got a pink pen. It's got a squishy. We have got, if I can get it in there, we have got 1, 2 multi-placers. Looks like a 3-placer and maybe a 6-placer. Thing of wax and some baggies and a white bow. That's rare. I don't see very many of those. All right, so let me roll this back just a little bit more. Now, I've seen this and I thought my granddaughters would like it. So this is the one that I got, and I just absolutely love the colors in this, y'all. Now, I got this one for $3.90. And as you can see, it's a star. And then you've got a little girl. She's got some purple and blue hair. And she's got a dress on. And she's got, I don't know if this is a hat. I think this is like a birthday hat. There's the thumbnail, if you can see it. But yeah, she's got this hat on, and then she's got her little toy over here, and it's a pull toy, and it's got like a little unicorn on it. Very sticky. It has 35 colors in it. It's got a schematic on both sides, and it does list the DMC. And it looks like we've got everything. We've got numbers, letters, and symbols. But the drill field looks really clear, y'all. But I just absolutely love the colors. I mean, I just think they're gorgeous. All these colors just blend so well together. All right, so this canvas, like I said, I gave $3.90 for, and I do think it's still available, and it's still the same price. So let's look at these colors. Okay, we have got, no, I thought the DMCs was on the baggies, but it's not. It's just the canvas number. But look at how vivid and bright these colors are. Y'all, I love these. These are so pretty. So pretty. Oh, I hope y'all can see them good. Look at that. I just love them. Look at all these purples. Oh my gosh. I love purple. That is my favorite color. And I like all shades of purple. That's got a bunch of little hitchhikers in it. But look, those two colors look good together. But yeah, purple's my favorite color. Any shade of purple, I love it. But look, oh my. This is going to be so cute. So cute. I just absolutely love these colors. So what do y'all think about this one? Has anybody seen this and got it? I just think it's going to be so cute. All right. Let me set this one to the side and we'll open the next one. Well, just want to slide. All right. So this one comes in a reusable Ziploc baggie. And it says Diamond Painting Kit. And it says Life Would Be Enjoyable. And it's, how do you pronounce this? However do you pronounce it. I'm not even going to try. It's got a QR code on the back. It has their .com. That's nice to know. And then it has a support. And then it has your tips. Or, well, your different steps on how to diamond paint. And then it says, Dear users, thank you for your buying. Hope you like it. Your satisfaction is very important for us. When you need our help, please feel free to contact us. Many thanks. So, alright, that's pretty cool. I really like this bag. That was so simple. This is so much easier getting into it this way than the ones that have the zipper on this end. I love that. Alright, so this is a 30 by 30. And again, I thought my granddaughters would really like this one. So I gave $3.22 for this one. And it is a poured glue. And it is round. And we're going to roll her backwards. It's got a nice filling canvas. Alright. So this is it. Little girl and a baby unicorn. Isn't that cute? Okay. So it comes with just a regular toolkit. Has a 3-placer and some baggies. Alright. And then the drills. Let's look at the drills real quick. And like I said, this is a 30 by 30. It has 22 colors. And oh my gosh, y'all, it's got ABs. This has got ABs. But no DMC numbers on the baggies. And there's no DMC numbers on the kit. But y'all, it's got orange ABs and white ABs. I had no clue. Well, that's neat. I just wish that they had the DMC. Alright, so let's see. We've got 22 colors. And we have got letters and symbols. And this is the thumbnail. Very sticky. Alright, let's look at this. Alright, so we have got black and gray, some purple, some peachy, pinky, real light color. We have an yellowish pinks, all kinds of pinks. Yellow, and a blue, another little bitty bag of pink, big bag of blue. That's going to be the background. Look, there's another bag of ABs. There's a yellow AB. Wow. Y'all, like I said, I had no clue this even had ABs. I mean, it doesn't say. So, y'all, I gave $3.22 for this thing. Isn't it cute? Very, very clear. Very clear. And the canvas is sparkly. I just wish it had the DMC numbers, especially for the ABs. I cannot believe it has ABs. So number 21 is L. So that's going to be right here in her little crown. Is that it? You're kidding me. That is the only spot of L. Look at how many I'm going to have left. I am not believing that. Let's see, number 22 is V. So the V is in her dress, like in the creases of her dress. It's right here in the bodice. And we're going to have some on this outline. Some on the outline. You would think they would be in the unicorn, but they're not. These are clouds. So the white ABs are Vs, and they're all through here, which is a cloud. And then they're going to be in her hair. And then there's a couple up here in her crown. And in the stars. Okay. So what was this other one? 20, which is P, which is going to be the crown, that star, the horn of the unicorn. And that's it. Wow. Wow. I am shocked, y'all. Especially for a little bitty tiny 30 by 30 to have 3 ABs with it. Man. Well, I'm excited. I had no clue. What a surprise. Wow. Okay. Well, so what do y'all think about these two? About these two canvases? I am so shocked that this has 3 ABs. Like I said, I just wish it had the DMC numbers with it. And I love the colors of this one. I mean, I like these. This one, like I said, $3.22. This one was $3.90. So what do y'all think? Which one's your favorite? And has anyone bought these and done them? Leave me a comment in my down there in the comment box. Okay, so I'll leave a link to this in my description box. And until my next one, y'all, I hope y'all have a great day, great week, and I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.